any successful person that you look at, unless, they were handed a big family business, and even that comes with its own mental and emotional stress. Every single entrepreneur who's been successful has war stories. They have times when they did not want to be entrepreneurs. They have times when they had to do something for long periods of time that they did not want to do. They have times where they suffered mentally, emotionally, went through anxiety, went through these things that entrepreneurs deal with. Every single person who's been successful that I know has done that. You cannot get around it. So if you're watching this, if you're consuming media online thinking there's a get-rich-quick scheme, all I got to do is watch Tai Lopez and open this drop shipping company, and then there's these easy methods. There is no easy methods. If you're not willing to suffer, if you're not willing to do things that other people are not willing to do, then you're not going to build the wealth. That's, it's really hard to get in this world. Everybody thinks making money is easy. I spend a lot of time on Twitter, and there's nothing worse than the amount of people on Twitter that think making money is easy. It's not. Business is fucking hard. Making money is hard. Managing people is hard. Managing customers is hard. The only way that you can get better at it is trying it. The only way that you can see if you have what it takes is to give it a shot. You can read, you can listen to me, you can listen to all 285 or what are we at, 300 of my podcasts. You can do all those things, but when it comes down to it, you got to just get out there and try. It's like trying to learn how to play basketball without ever picking up a ball. It's impossible. You can read all the books from Michael Jordan and all the great basketball players. You're not going to learn how to play or even see what you have until you pick up a ball. So embrace it. Embrace the journey. Embrace the suffering. Those tough parts of entrepreneurship, those things that are really hard, that is what makes the success that much more rewarding. And it leaves me now with a real sense of pride that I was able to push through and handle those very, very difficult situations. So I'm just going to encourage you to embrace it as the journey, enjoy the ride, try not to let the stress cripple you, and just be strong.